Now we should be able to understand each other. In most countries, any expenses you incurred before the official start date of your company cannot be considered as business expense and are not tax deductible. Any cost you incur for the purpose of earning income after the start date of your business can be deducted for that fiscal period. That is why here is a list of open source software you can download and use for free before your small business or video blog start bringing profit, and you can start deducting software expenses from taxes as a business. This software will get the job done, and you can upgrade to professional software as you grow. Timeline-based video editing software for PC, Mac, and Linux. The open source software you need is OpenShot Video Editor. Link is in the description. Also can try a free web-based Canva. Link in the description as well. Will get the job done in some cases. This will make you moving until you can get yourself Adobe Premiere Pro at $21 per month or anything else of your choosing. Image editing software for PC, Mac and Linux. The open source software you need is GIMP. Link is in the description as well. Also, free web-based Canva, link in the description, will get job done when it comes to thumbnails and such. This will suffice until you can get yourself Adobe Photoshop, which is again $21 per month or anything else. 3D model and animation software for PC, Mac and Linux. The open source software you need is Blender. Again, link is in the description. This beast can handle most of your needs when it comes to 3D graphics software toolset used for creating animated films, visual effects, arts, time-based video editing, etc. This will be enough until you can get yourself Autodesk Maya, which is $215 per month or something similar. And last but not least, you do need an analog of free Microsoft Office to upkeep your spreadsheets with expenses and income, scripts in a Word format, and animated presentations. For PC, Mac, and Linux, the open source software you need is Apache OpenOffice. Find link in the description. This will get job done until you get yourself a Microsoft 365 Personal, which is $7 per month or anything else. Altogether, this software saves over $3,000 per year. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe if you want to see more experience shared and recap on lessons learned. Depending on this video performance, the release of next video with useful money saving tips and experience either will be speed up or slowed down. Because this type of content takes a lot of effort to compile, your activity do matter in comments, likes and subscribing. So help me help you.